The Indian government has extended its ban on scheduled foreign flights until September 30, 2021, according to a recent travel report. The COVID-induced passenger flight ban has been prolonged until the end of September, according to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation further said, however, international scheduled flights may be allowed on selected routes by the competent authority on a case-to-case basis. The restrictions on overseas flights was due to terminate on August 31, 2021, according to reports. Due to pandemic, international passengers flights were stopped in India on March 23, 2020. However, in May 2020, the Indian government launched the Vande Bharat mission to assist those who are stranded in other nations. From July 2020, India will create bilateral air bubbles with a number of countries. Dedicated freights, flights under bilateral air bubble pacts with certain nations would continue to operate, according to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation in its circular also stated, in a partial modification on a circular dated June 26, 2021, the competent authority has further extended the validity of the circular issued on the subject cited above regarding scheduled international commercial passenger service to or from India till 23:59 hours IST of 30 September 2021. The limitations, however, did not apply to international air cargo operations or flights certified by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. However, India has signed air bubble agreements with over 25 nations, including the United States, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates, Kenya, Bhutan, and France.